Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn progressions exercise number 5 question number 6. The fourth term of a geometric progression is 2 by 3 and the seventh term is nothing but 16 by 81. Find the geometric series. So this question is very important question. So here he given the fourth term. So that is a4 is equal to 2 by 3 and seventh term he given, that is a7, that is nothing but 16 by 81. So now what is the question is asking? He is asking to find the geometric series. You have to find the geometric series. Okay, so we know that nth term is nothing but an is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. So in the first step, what you do, divide both. Okay, so divide that a to the power of 7 with a to the power of 4. So a into r to the power of 7 minus 1, that is equal to a7 is equal to a into r to the power of 7 minus 1. a4 is nothing but a into r to the power of 4 minus 1. That is equal to, what is a7? 16 by 81. So what is a4? 2 by 3. So a into r to the power of 7 minus 1 is nothing but 6. A into r to the power of 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3. So fraction by fraction, whenever a denominator fraction is going to numerator, it becomes reverse. 2 by 3 is there in the denominator. Now it becomes reverse, 3 by 2. Now you see cancellation, 2 one time, 2 8 times is 16. So 3 2s are 6 and here 2 left, 3 7s are. So what we left? 8 by 27. Okay, here a is going to cancel. Now you see r to the power of 6, r into r like that, 6 times by r cube, r into r 3 times. So r cube is equal to, we are getting, this is 8 by 27. So r cube, r into r is nothing but r cube. So this is 8 is nothing but 2 cube, 27 is nothing but 3 cube. 2 by 3 whole cube. So now both the sides cube is going to cancel. Finally I am getting r value 2 by 3. Finally I am getting r value is nothing but 2 by 3. This is a common ratio I am getting. So now we have to find the first term. Now you substitute the value of r in a4, then you will get it a value. a4 is nothing but a into r to the power of 4 minus 1, that is equal to 2 by 3. So a into r to the power of 3 here, that is equal to 2 by 3. So just now we calculated r value is nothing but 2 by 3 to the power of 2 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. So now you see here, so 2 by 3 whole cube is nothing but 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, that is equal to 2 by 3. So 8 by 27, it is in multiplication. Whenever it is going to right side goes to division, so it becomes 8 by 27. So it is going to division. So now you see it is looking like a fraction by fraction. Whenever a denominator fraction is going to numerator, it becomes reverse. So that is a is equal to 2 by 3 times 27 by 8. 2 1 time, 2 4 times, 3 1 time, 3 9 times. So that is A is nothing but 9 by 4. This is the first term of the series. So now we will calculate the second term, A2. A into r to the power of 2 minus 1. That is nothing but AR. So A is nothing but 9 by 4. Common ratio is nothing but 2 by 3. 3 one time, 3 3 times, 2 one time, 2 2 times. So finally I am getting second term is nothing but 3 by 2. So A3, A into r to the power of 3 minus 1, that is A into r to the power of 2. So that is A value is nothing but 9 by 4, r value is nothing but 2 by 3 whole square. So that is 9 by 4 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 2 times. 3 3s are 3 3 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. Sorry, 2 1s are 2 1s are. So here 1. Therefore, finally what I am getting the geometric series, that is nothing but 9 by 4 comma 3 by 2 comma 1 comma 2 by 3 and so on. This is the required geometric series. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.